Okay, so in question number 14, there is a rough inclined plane which is fixed, and on the inclined plane there is a block kept. The inclined plane makes an angle 30 degree, and the block has a charge Q equals to 0.01 coulomb. The mass of the block is 1 kg, and there is a uniform horizontal electric field E in this region. Further, this surface is rough with friction coefficient of 0.2. So these are the information given, and it is asked find the time the block will take to reach from top to bottom sliding along the inclined plane. Okay, so in this problem time is asked. Whenever in a problem time is asked, our approach will be the force approach of doing the question. So first we have to find the forces, and then we have to find the acceleration. From the acceleration we can find the time. We cannot solve this problem by energy approach. Okay, so whenever time is asked, we must apply the force approach. We have to analyze the forces acting on the particle. So the forces acting on the particle will be its own weight mg, normal n, normal axn, and there will be a horizontal force QE, and as per this question the block has to slide downward, so the friction force should act upward, and because there is relative motion, friction force acting will be limiting. It will be equal to mu n. Okay, so as far as the motion of the block along the inclined plane is concerned, the forces along the inclined plane will be mg sine theta, component of mg along the incline, minus mu n, and there will also be a component of QE along the incline. Component of QE along the incline is minus QE cos theta. This should be equal to m into a, mass into acceleration of block along the incline. Okay. Further, perpendicular to the incline there is no motion, so net force perpendicular to incline should be equal to 0. The components perpendicular to incline are n is perpendicular to incline, plus there are component of mg and there is component of QE also. So n should be equal to what? Mg cos theta plus QE sin theta. Theta is known to be 30 degree, mass is known, charge is known, electric field is known. From this equation we will solve for the value of n, and this value of n we will place here, and from here we will find the value of acceleration. The value of n comes out to be 9.16 Newton. Okay, we are using the value of mass g, everything is known, cos theta cos 30 is known, charge is known, electric field is known, and then if we put the value of n in this equation, the acceleration will come out to be equal to how much? 2.3 meter per second square. Mass is known, theta is known, n is known, electric field Q is known. We can find the acceleration. Now, having found the acceleration on the inclined plane, we have to find the time. This particular length is given to be 1 meter, and therefore this length, if it is L, so sin theta should be equal to 1 divided by L, and sin theta is 30 degrees, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So L should be equal to 2 meter. So the displacement of the mass along the inclined plane is 2 meter, and L must be equal to half AT square. So 2 should be equal to half A is 2.3 into t square. Solving this, we'll get the time period as 1.3 seconds. Okay.